Hey G Squad, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm showing you how I made these strawberry cheesecake egg rolls. That's right, you heard it. So if you'd like to see how I made this delicious dessert, then keep watching. Alright fam, so I have a cup of diced strawberries. These are fresh strawberries. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This is an 8-ounce packet of Philadelphia cream cheese. You want to let your cream cheese sit out until it becomes soft. Then I have some egg rolls. I just picked up vegan egg rolls. I have half a cup of powdered sugar. Then I have some vanilla extract, and then in this cup I just have some water, and that's to wet our egg rolls to make them seal. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is I have my dish right here. The lighting seems a little dark, so I have my dish here. In this dish I'm going to add my cream cheese. And we're going to add the powdered sugar. So I'm just going to take a spoon and we're just going to mix this up real well. Okay, so now I'm going to take a teaspoon of this vanilla extract and add that to it. You can also taste it to make sure it's sweet enough. And I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to let this bake anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes until the egg rolls are nice and golden brown and crisp. Okay, just gonna taste a little of that. Oh baby, woo! Okay, so that's how your filling should look. So I'm just gonna move this off to the side. So right here, I have my baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Let me turn you around this way. I have it lined with parchment paper, so now we're going to start to fill our egg rolls. Okay, we work with 2 at a time. Okay, so I'm just gonna load it up. So now I'm going to add some of my strawberries. I'll place it right on top. Alright, so now we're going to roll these. Fold your sides. And then you just roll. Then when you get to your point, you're going to take the water. This is where the water comes in. You're just going to wet the tip. And voila. Okay. So we repeat the process. You're going to roll, roll and fold. Roll and fold. Okay. And that's how it looks. Okay. So we're going to continue on. You know, with the holidays coming up, this is something different. You can add to your dessert table. Very simple to make. This is also a good little treat. Say if you're having a special breakfast, Valentine's, and you want to serve something different, this will be perfect for that. Like I said, just continue on with the same process. Add your strawberries. Okay, so you're just going to roll and fold. Alright, so I'm going to finish these and then I'll pop back in. Alright, so our strawberry cheesecake rolls are rolled. So now the butter, we're going to take this melted butter and we're going to spread it over our rolls. And this is going to help it give that nice brown, crunchy texture that we're looking for. Make sure you coat it really well with the butter. I cannot wait to sink my teeth into these. I'm going to add some underneath. Okay. So now these are ready to be popped in the oven. Missed a little corner right there. Okay, so I'll pop this in the oven and I'll be back when they're done. So our egg rolls are done. This is how they look. So I'm going to allow these to cool off and then I'll come back in. Alright, so our cheesecake egg rolls have cooled off. I transferred them to this dish. So now I'm going to actually top them with some more of this sugar, powdered sugar. Okay. Yeah, there you can have it. Alright, so I'm going to break into one and let some of the sugar go down the sides. Okay, I'll just grab one. Hear that crunch? Okay, there you have it. Wow, that is so good. There's your filling right there. So good. All right, family. So that wraps up the video. Oh, this is so good. That wraps up the video. So if you try this recipe, of course, always say tag me on Instagram. Post it in the community tab. And yeah. So I thank you for tuning in to see how I made this wonderful treat. I always appreciate the visit and the comments. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Be safe, stay positive. I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye.